telling me stuff.
So
I put it aside. You can say it nice.
Nice.
nice. Move, James.
Oh.
It's really hard, huh?
It's hard but really good.
Quick.
Satisfying.
Good morning. We are here at Nagahama Dam with my kiddos,
Hi.
with his, what's that? What camera do you have? What?
I forgot. That's all I know. 5, I think.
There's M5. So,
M5.
so he has the EOS M5 with a 300 2.8 L with 2X converter. And I have my R5 with 100 500 RF.
You're gonna copyright Papa.
And there are two osprey flying around. Yeah.
Are you ready to see the white one? Ready to see the white one? See the white one?
That's... Where's the cormorant? Where did the cormorant go? Is it possible that I can video the fish?
I think so.
Because the water is so good. Because the water is so clear.
I think so.
I cannot see it from here, so... You need a filter,
filter.
for water?
Yeah. A polarizer filter. If you don't have that one, I think it's really hard to see. Actually, we're planning to go to kadena at the Michi-no-eki. It's like a place that you can, photograph airplane, but I don't know if they are going to fly. That's why we're here at Nagahama waiting. And while waiting, we do like wildlife, bird photography, and videography.
Nope. Over here, there's a night heron. He's on top of the roof. He's sitting, looking at something. It's so big, actually. From far away, it looks small, but once it gets closer, it's really big. Oh, there's a bird over there. I'm gonna move back a little bit so I don't scare it.
What bird is that, Jaden?
I don't know.
Let me see. Oh, that's a night heron. Ooh. Wow, that's really close.
Oh, that's one.
Jaden,
Hi.
there's a kingfisher over there.
Oh.
It's on the rock. See that?
Oh, it's on the rock?
Yeah.
Oh. It's so blue.
Do you know what kind of kingfisher is that?
You tell me about it every day.
That's
so
a
I
common.
think I should know.
Yeah, that's a common kingfisher.
Oh, common kingfisher.
Yeah. It's common but not common.
Maybe we should go closer to the kingfisher
Let's go.
so that we get better footage.
Let's find it. That's your job. Find it.
I think it's over here. Oh, there it is.
Wow.
Oh. What in the what? Are you serious right now?
Yeah.
This is impossible.
Yeah.
What?
That's why I caught it. Pops of rage.
So far, so good. A lot of bird.
Honestly, I think it's really good.
Yeah, I think
Because
so.
like, there's a lot of fish over here,
Mhm.
which makes the kingfisher want to go here and try to eat it.
Mm-hmm. So I think we are just waiting for the how do you call it?
The airplane.
No, not airplanes. No, the osprey to to hunt here or dive.
Osprey don't hunt.
They do.
No, it's so big.
No, they just hover, and then when they see a fish, they just dive and take it.
Oh, the bird one.
The bird one.
Oh.
I'm not talking about the
I thought
airplane.
you were talking about the
What are you talking about?
But that's also called osprey.
Look, there's bird over there. There, there.
Where?
It's over there on top of the,
Oh,
It's a king.
no, the king of the nagahama.
King of like Simba.
Oh, that's really.
Why did it move its head?
That's really cool. Oh, there you go.
Oh, okay.
That's oh, that's nice. What? Come on.
Oh,
Oh, that's nice. Like
oh no,
on
low
top of the
battery.
pyramid.
I wanted to turn into a fluff ball.
So.
This vlog is not done.
Oh, nice. So right now we're done.
Nagahama.
We're done at Nagahama. We're going to because we can hear the airplane now.
Yeah.
Going to the airplane. But you only have one battery, right?
I have another battery.
Yeah, just one battery.
Oh.
Okay, let's go.
Hopefully that's charged. Ooh,
Oh.
it's so loud.
Yeah. Close it. Let's go.
Bye bye.
So we just arrived here at Michi-no-eki.
Yes.
We are going to photograph the airplane. We saw like F-35 a while ago. So they're gonna fly for I think 30 minutes, then coming back here. Yeah, I think we're gonna wait. So yeah, because the camera is a little bit heavy, gonna use this elevator.
G-force?
Force.
Is that
Of course.
Oh, my head. That feels like G-force.
There's a camera. Look, see, look at it over there.
Woo!
Over there.
Woo!
Oh. Hi.
Oh!
So bright.
Yeah, look. This is China.
I see one. I see one.
Oh, the atlas.
Yes.
What?
Is to measure.
Decibel. You measure the loudness.
Measure.
I don't like it. Look, it's a butterfly.
Oh, it's a butterfly.
I don't think so.
It's coming.
That's not a bird.
It's coming.
It's a plane.
I thought it's a bird.
It's a Cessna.
Did you take some? Yeah.
Pictures.
I think F-35.
Is it hummingbird? Can you see it from here?
Oh, Papa, I think this is a F. What? Oh, I think this.
F-15.
Yeah, it's a F-15. Looks like it.
A different plane.
There's another one. Yeah, this is. I think this is another F-15.
Yeah, different plane.
There's a drone. There's a drone. That's a drone.
It's a lot of F-35, huh?
I know.
Going to touch down. So, do you think they're going to fly again? We don't know.
Yes.
I hope so, huh?
The F-15s just staying there.
So it's time to go home, Jaden?
Yes.
So I think we're done here, guys. Thank you for watching. This has been our for JB, and hope to see you in our next adventure. See ya.